people don't work outside the box, they talk about outside the box. And the minute you get people outside the box, stuff happens. Because sitting around in a living room type environment, having a chat and answering questions from a 4 or 5 page topic guide is my way of going nowhere. You know, I don't mind if what you want to find out is a lot of information, but if you want insight, if you want to know more about what things mean and why and how it works, you need to get out of the box and create a culture that is rich in insight. The first thing that I say about insight is that virtually nobody in our business hears the in insight. They hear the sight and they go looking about the world or at objects or at people or at places, looking for insight out there. Nearly all of the insights that we've found that have changed our clients and our sponsors' lives most profoundly have come from looking inwards. I think the second place that we found a lot of insights is in our willingness to engage with, as I've called in another one of these short talks, emergent properties. And those emergent properties cannot really be discovered in a 90-minute focus group. If you think about 8 people plus the moderator, that's 9 people, that's 10 minutes each. How much of yourself are you really going to show in that kind of setting? No, these things need to be done at greater length, and they need to be done with more thoroughness, and they need to be done with more permission and more freedom for emergent properties to emerge. The next source of insight, pathway, really is the stripping away of superficiality. We need to get beneath the superficial to find out what really drives people. And the fourth path, and this is quite a popular one amongst my colleagues, is that of the intersection between fields. So, for example, Tefal gave rise to non-stick surfaces, was originally invented as a machine, as a fabric and a coating for spaceships and things in space exploration. Somebody noticed that things wouldn't stick to it, and so they started to coat saucepans with it. So they're the 4 key pathways to insight, and we'll talk a little bit more about all of those as we go along.